In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an aesthetic Notion page. To get started, open the Notion page you want to design. This can be a dashboard, a study page, a journal, or any workspace you use often. Starting with the exact page you want to improve helps you make design choices that actually fit the purpose of the page. Before changing anything, take a quick look at the current layout and think about the overall style you want. A clear theme from the beginning will make the rest of the design feel more consistent. Next, add a cover image that matches your theme. The cover is one of the first things people notice, so it plays a big role in the overall aesthetic. Try to choose an image with colors, textures, or a mood that fits the feeling you want for the page. For example, you might go for something minimal, cozy, modern, soft, or nature inspired. A good cover can instantly make the page feel more polished and intentional. After that, add an icon or emoji to the page. This small detail may seem simple, but it adds personality and helps visually identify the page at a glance. You can choose something that matches the topic of the page or pairs nicely with the cover image. Keeping the icon and cover in the same style can make the whole setup feel more put together. Then start styling the page with text colors, callouts, and dividers. This is where the page begins to feel more customized. Text colors can help highlight headings or important sections, while callouts are great for drawing attention to keynotes or creating visual variety. Dividers can separate sections and make everything easier to scan. As you style, try not to overdo it. Using a small, consistent color palette usually looks cleaner and more elegant than using too many different colors at once. Once that's done, add widgets like a clock, quote, weather display, or playlist. Widgets can make the page feel more dynamic and personal while still being useful. The key is to choose widgets that support the purpose of the page instead of distracting from it. A few well-placed widgets can enhance the design without making the page feel crowded. Next, use columns to create a cleaner layout. Columns help organize content and make the page look more balanced. They're especially useful for separating sections, placing widgets neatly, or creating a more dashboard-style appearance. A tidy layout not only looks better, but also makes the page easier to use every day. Finally, review the overall design and keep it simple and easy to use. Aesthetic pages work best when they are both beautiful and functional. If something feels cluttered, remove it. If the page is easy to navigate and visually consistent, you've done it right.